It's time to relax. Time to take a mental vacation. Start by making yourself comfortable. You may want to sit or lie down. Loosening any tight clothing and adjusting your position so that you can relax. Begin to let go of the tension and relax your body. Just start with one small area of your body that is tensed. Notice this area of tension and allow it to easily relax. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the muscles in the area you're focusing on becoming more and more relaxed. Imagine breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Notice with each breath how you can relax this one area of tension. You may want to scan your body now for other areas of tension. Choose one area to focus on and concentrate on breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. Feel your muscles relaxing, loosening, and as you breathe slowly and deeply. Go ahead and close your eyes. If you haven't done so already, and as you continue to relax further, begin to create a picture in your mind. Imagine that you're near the ocean just before the sunrise. Perhaps you're on the beach or a hammock or a dock. The ocean is very calm. Most of the water looks very smooth, but you can see small ripples where gentle, peaceful waves roll in towards the shore. Take a few moments to imagine this scene. Picture all the details of this relaxing place. The sun has not yet risen. The sky is just starting to get light. The air is cool, comfortable, and pleasant. The temperature is very pleasant. A calm and comfortable morning. Imagine the feel of a slight gentle breeze on your skin. The breeze blows slowly, just enough the leaves on the palm trees gently move back and forth. The leaves of the trees make a dark silhouette against the gradually lightening sky. Imagine the fresh smell of the air, the smell of clean water and sand. Picture in your mind the sound of water lapping against the shore. The sea is so clean. The waves are very quiet, but you can hear them as you move gently and calmly. Hear the slight rustling of leaves as the palm branches sway gently. It is early morning and you are the only one here. This is such a calm, safe, peaceful, and pleasant place. Perhaps you are on a deck with wooden tables, umbrellas, closed for the night. They will soon be opened to provide shelter from the sun. But for now, they remain with their cloth tops folded down as if they're resting. Small huts with grass roofs provide shelter for some of the tables. During the day, this place is bustling with activity as people sit at the tables and shelter of the grass huts, sipping cool drinks by the water. Notice that the sun is starting to rise. You can see a spot of light at the horizon, as if the sun is rising right out of the water. See the light growing as the sun begins to rise above the horizon. Small streaks of light shine into the sky. As the sky grows lighter and lighter with the growing dawn. See the birds that are active early in the morning. Some fly overhead, some are already diving into the water looking for fish, and other birds sit simply quietly. They are enjoying the dawn as well. You can see some peaceful waves as they break some distance from the shore. White peaks rise in a line out of water, crashing a stone breaker that keeps the water close to the shore peaceful and calm. See the peaceful waves gently lapping at the shore, washing gently onto the sand. The waves are very calming. They are so peaceful, so rhythmic. Watch the peaceful waves flowing like your breath, in and out. In, out. Continue to observe the rhythm of the peaceful waves flowing with the rhythm of your breath. As you relax, you can enjoy the beautiful sunrise. Pink and orange give everything around you a warm glow. The sun has risen above the horizon. The breeze, the warm early sunlight, the gently lapping peaceful waves, softly moving palm trees, of all these create a peaceful and calm place. Continue to relax for a few moments here, enjoying the peaceful waves and the remaining calm time at the sunrise. Everything around you seems to be waking up, getting ready for a lovely day. When you're ready to wake up your body and mind and return to the present, give yourself a few moments to do so. Return your awareness to your surroundings and notice the real environment you are in. Let the muscles wake up by opening and closing your hands, shrugging your shoulders, moving around a bit. Keep with you the feeling of peace and calm you had while you were relaxing. As you open your eyes and sit quietly for a moment.